Walking Spirit in a Native Way by James B. Beard. In a world searching for balance, some paths were never meant to be forgotten. Walking Spirit in a Native Way invites you onto the Red Road, a journey guided by ancient wisdom and lived experience. James B. Beard, a lifelong student of Ojibwe elders and Algonquin-based teachings, shares lessons passed down through generations across the Great Lakes region. These teachings speak to wellness, to balance, and to the spirit within us all. This is more than a book. It is a way of living rooted in respect, awareness, and connection to the natural world. Walking Spirit in a Native Way by James B. Beard. Available now on Amazon. Order your copies now.